Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today we're doing another video in the Clutter-Free for the Holiday series. This video is on my downstairs guest room. Most of the things in this room were either given to us or bought used or at a garage sale. It's nice to have a place to put guests when they come. I have all the drawers in the dresser and the nightstand empty, and they're clean so they can put their own things in them. I have a few hangers in the closet here, as well as a blow-up mattress if they need more sleeping spaces. And we keep all our Legos here as well. I have a sheet with the Legos so kids can put the sheet down and dump the Legos on top so it's easier to clean. I keep our Legos in this room because it has a door, so we can let older kids play with the Legos and keep the younger kids out who would choke on them. I remember going to visit family with 5 kids, and how challenging it was because we never really had a place to put our things or a space just for ourselves. It seems like we always forgot something. That is why I've tried to set aside at least one room to make it more comfortable for our guests. They can easily tell if they've forgotten something because we don't have a lot of things of our own in the room. The room is easy to clean because the things in it are kept to a minimum. How is your clutter-free challenge going? You still have some time before Thanksgiving and lots of time before Christmas if you just start today and do a little at a time. Figure out how many days you have to spend some time cleaning and decluttering. Divide your home or apartment into manageable parts so it's doable and you don't get overwhelmed. I don't always like cleaning and decluttering, but I sure am glad when it's done and the house looks so much better. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.